In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails on Canva website. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To begin with, the first step is to open your web browser and navigate to the Canva website. Canva is a fantastic design tool for anyone looking to create visually appealing graphics with ease, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer. Once you're there, you will need to log in. Head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Log In button. Enter your credentials and sign in. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to create one by following the simple sign up process on the site. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Canva homepage. Here, you'll find an array of design templates and options to explore. For the purpose of collecting emails, we need to access your existing projects. So next, navigate to the Projects section. It's usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it and you'll see a list of your ongoing and completed projects. Choose the project you want to work with or create a new one if it's specifically for gathering emails. This project is where you'll embed the email collection form. Once your project is open, look for the Apps option, typically found in the side menu. Clicking Apps will give you access to different integrations and additional tools that Canva offers. Now in the Apps section, utilize the search bar to look for Embed. This feature is crucial as it allows you to incorporate external functionalities into your Canva project. When you find Embed, click on it. Doing so will reveal various third-party integrations you can use. At this stage, browse the available options until you find Jotform. Jotform is an excellent tool for creating user-friendly forms, which makes it perfect for our purpose of collecting emails. Selecting Jotform will guide you through the process of embedding a form within your project. If you don't already have a Jotform account, you might need to set one up, which is a straightforward process requiring basic information. Once embedded, you'll configure your form in Jotform according to your needs. Make sure you're asking for essential information, typically just a name and email address. When everything looks good, you can preview how the form appears within your Canva project. Finally, when you're satisfied with the setup, make sure to save your project. From here, you can publish and share your Canva design containing the embedded email collection form across your desired platforms. This setup will allow you to efficiently gather emails and help you grow your contact list in a seamless and professional manner. That's it, you're now ready to collect emails through Canva. Remember, having a visually appealing form often encourages more signups, so leverage Canva's design tools to enhance the user experience. Thanks for watching and enjoy designing.